Hi, in this video I'm going to show the VPN robot registration along with the robot setup. So it will include the user registration, the face training for the user and the mapping. First thing, I have to run the main process here with this command line here. So ROS run hyperlink ROS start robot Friday, which is the platform. No write is to not write the dot profile, so when you reboot the system it will not boot the hyperlink ROS system, and followed by the 3 serial device which needs to be allowed. So encoders IMU and laser here.
Hello user. Start on Friday platform configuration.
So now it will wait for the QR code. So now on the Android application I'm going to input the Wi-Fi password. So okay, the robot name here, you can see it here, okay, and the bot, for example, and it will generate the QR code. Here he's waiting for the QR code. That's it. I show it facing the camera. Okay.
Get on QR code data. Data OK from the QR code. Find available Wi-Fi net interfaces. Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
This is what happens on the terminal.
Start on VPN.
So we have to wait the connection to the VPN. Okay. Now we have to press a key. Okay, I think that yes, it's here the sound, low battery. So now we can see the robot here on the
ROS environment data.
on the Android application.
Configuration completed. Enabling the serial devices. Launching WebRTC client. Launching the state machine.
So now we have the state machine here launched. Okay, let's go to the Android application. We can tap on the bot here. It will try to connect, but no one is registered, so we can enter the first user, which will be the admin. Robot name. So now here I have the, I turn off the audio set. So here I have the Xetion and I am going to perform the training, the face training. User Antonio. Here you can see that the training is happening also on the Android application with the percentage. I'm in front of the camera. Okay, now we can go on with the mapping. So for example, we can use the name default as usual, and we can start. Here you can see that the mapping step thread is start, and you can see also on the Android application that there's the map here. So we can try to move around the robot. Pay attention with the velocities. I'm moving the cam over the robot here because I don't have a stand for the camera, so I have to move it there. So let's try to turn. You have to speed up a little bit, I think. Yes. Stop. Let's go on. It's better to move down the slide here for the velocity. Let's stop here. Now let's try to turn left. Oops. Yeah. So we'll get more space, as you can see. Stop here. Now let's go back again on the right. I'm moving slowly to get a good map, so that's why. So now let's stop, break. We can save the current location, for example. No, let's go a little bit ahead. Stop. Now we can save something, for example, office. Yes. Room insertion, okay. Now let's stop. No, go back. Stop. And yes, here there's an advice about the train to train the face, but it's an application fault, so don't know. Stop mapping. Press OK to confirm. So now it starts to build the LM MDIC for the Friday dictionary here. We have to wait a while, but there's still no connection with the Android application. In fact, we don't have a feedback on the Android application, which is on the login page here, on the login screen. So let's still wait for the building. Okay. So you can see here that there's no warning within the building of the LM, and the voice started again with the new dictionary. So for example, now, yes, okay, everything is okay about the building of LMDIC. So now let's go through the application and perform the login. It should work. Let's see. No, maybe I insert the wrong password. Yes, okay. So this is the setup step. Later I will record more videos about the other functionalities.